Evening, everyone. Hope you had a great weekend and a great week. Don't forget, if you like what you see and you've been following us for a while, to join our Discord. Press the like button. It is the only way for us to grow. Concerning the course, we're fully booked. So thank you all for whoever joined. And hopefully would like to thank you first for letting us into your trading how to put it in this way. Trading is a journey, right? So anything you do in something new, something you want to be professional in, first you need to focus on the process of it before you start looking how professional you can be and how you can beat others or competition, all of this stuff. Same thing as trading. It has to be a journey. It has to be a process. And that process, every human being can take it in a different way. Some people will take them years, some people will take them a couple of months. And it depends who are they following, and it is doable if you are doing it all by yourself. But the thing is, it's better to be around the community where they can guide you, right? But nobody can really teach you how to trade. The only thing what they can do is show you the process and guide you through the process as quickly as possible. But you have to do the mistakes. You have to go through the process, and then after you know that you have accomplished what it takes to be a consistent trader, then the wealth will follow. So it's all a process, and that's what our course is. It's not teaching you how to trade. It's assisting you to find your edge. It's assisting you to show you and let you see how it is done in a proper way, not what you see outside there. And there's a lot of courses outside there, and most of them, I don't know, but most of them are good to the creator because they are explaining their own edge. But that course, is it whoever is teaching that course, are they guiding you properly, or they're just showing you what it is? Anyways, thank you all for joining. Exactly. It's like university, right? So you have to pay a submission or something that's gonna cost you. The only thing is that that's the beauty about it, that you determine how much it will cost you. Anyways, so hopefully all of you having a great week. If not, join our Discord. I'm not saying that we are the best or whatever. I don't. We are a small community, and I love to keep it like that, as is, plus minus, not too much noise. Because as a trader, when there's too much noise, you get distracted, and especially when you're new to this, that's what kills your progress. You have to remove that noise. You're learning the process, remove the other noise, focus on that process, give that process time. Anyways, thank you all for joining, and don't forget to press the like, and let's hit the chart for the upcoming week. On Saturday, I was looking at updating the website. And I saw something on these on the indices. I saw that this wave is complete, and we're looking something like this at least, which would take us around these areas. The only thing is that this liquidity up there was not grabbed. Anyways, I'm looking at this. We might have something like this. If that's what's gonna happen, we're not having a deep uh, retracement or correction, whatever you want to name it. Okay, if we will hit the top, don't expect this. If we will hit the top, I would look for something like this and continuation of the up move. But for what we have now is the following. These are the options. That's why it's critical for us to do our midweek sessions that we do every Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 12 at 12. We're still uh, trying to figure the best time, but 12 basically that's what we're going for this for the past week or two. So 12 GMT. So convert that to your time, to your time zone. And we go over most of these and try to trade the setups that we see. Uh, for this one exactly, so that's what we're looking at. Yes, sir, I will definitely will. I have more time. The kids are at school and stuff like that, so I have more time. I'm more settled. Just the routine. Anyways, uh, yeah. So I'm looking at this FTSE, same thing. I'm looking for a deeper correction, the downside, maybe something like this, and continuation of the down move. DXY, looking for continuation. If the indices are dropping, we'll revisit this area, or even the 2 day. It was tagged. I tag it one more time, break, fill up here, and continue back down. Let's see how it's gonna play out, but these are what I'm looking at. Is more to the upside. Euro USD, we should be heading down towards the weekly or the monthly. So on the retest, looking for more down to go. GU, we might see when it did that, I would suggest something around these areas before dropping, if it needs to drop. So I'm looking for something like this and heading back up. USD CAD, more to the upside. NU, looking for a deeper. If you sure, if you go at least to these areas, look for yourselves. AU, same thing, looking for yourselves. Silver, whoever trades it, hopefully are in these cells, targeting these lows, maybe deeper. Gold, same thing like silver. Break the top, break the bottom, retest, continuation. Hopefully we'll see these lows. Whoever is in a sell, manage your trades. And don't forget, always pay yourself. Pay yourself. Oil accumulation in this area. I don't see it flying or dropping for the time being, for the upcoming week. UJ looking grab of liquidity to the downside. Maybe after this grab of liquidity, we might have grab of liquidity of the top. So either or, these two sides should be grabbed before any directional move. There's other yen pairs that you can trade if UJ is not moving. For this one, we're retesting this. Let it drop underneath. Retest, then you can take your short. This can continue from here. So let it show more data. Yen, Euro yen. Liquidity has been indicated last week, has been grabbed. Retest of this and continuation of the downmove. If you are not already in a sell, wait of break of this, retest of it, and start selling. Your stop, don't put it up there, put it above this one. BTC looking for on after this happened last week. Told the guys wait for better direction. This is not tradable, so don't get trapped in the middle or at the top. Wait for the move to move. MJ, how are you? Wait for the move to start. This is not tradable. Always, always, always. If it does not, look at this one right here. If this does not do something like this and start pulling, it's gonna accumulate in this area. Accumulation of liquidity, trapping traders, and it has its own context, right? So you gotta know how to read what's happening inside there, just from the charts. So what's the direction? There's still no direction for the time being. Doesn't mean that this game that we're heading like this. No. Wait for it. Let it show better. Don't try to anticipate the move. Let the move show you. Same concept. Though this we are still above this. So basically we have one rule. We're above this, we call it the box. We're above the box, we still look for more upside. We're underneath the box, we look for our sells. Very simple, very simple rule to add to your strategy. So this should be heading up. If we break and go under, most likely we'll have something like this. You can measure this. I'm going for this for the time being. And by the way, I closed some of my BTC and crypto positions. Let's see how it's gonna play out. What I'm looking for is deeper correction. Let me go deep small into BTC. So for BTC, when this move started, even when this drop started, I was looking at, something like this, similar to this. So very simply, if you take the following, do it like that, flip, you can fit that right there in a way, right? So that's what I'm looking at. I won't be surprised if I see BTC going down before any continuation of the up move, going down till 25 area. But the thing is how to trade that. Yes, it might play out, but how to make money out of that. That's what the trader is supposed to do. A lot of people can analyze the market, a lot of people can predict the market, whatever. It's just can they trade it? You have to have specific tools, specific mindsets, like a specific psychology to be able to trade that, trade to make money out of these analysis. Your job is not to predict or do amazing, and your job is to work on yourself to be able to trade these moves. Anyone with the proper guidance can read the market and can give you uh, an a move, an A move or a B move or a C move, plan A, plan B, plan C, and see, and they would look at it as if it's like high probability on this end, high probability on that end. Anyone give him a couple of extra time on the charts are capable of reading the market, right? But not all of these people that know how to read the market are capable of consistently eating the fruit of these markets. That's what you're supposed to be doing. That's what you're supposed to be working on. Not analyzing the market, not predicting the market, knowing how to make money out of these markets. That's your job as a trader. That's what most of the new guys whoever with not proper guidance still don't know how to differentiate that. Exactly. With proper risk management, you can trade the market with the proper flip point. It's all about the psychology. Anyways, uh, thank you all for joining, and hopefully you will have a great week. And if you like what you see, don't forget to press the like. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're more than welcome to join. Anyone that took the course from before, they need a refreshment, they can join at any time. It's open for the guys that need some kind of refreshment. So trade safe, guys. That's the most important thing. Know what you're trading. Know how you are trading, how you're approaching validity and invalidity of your setup. You don't want to trade the whole move. Anyways, trade safe and have a wonderful week.